Hey AI enthusiasts! Have you ever wanted to create consistent characters with MidJourney? Today I'm going to show you how to unlock one of MidJourney's coolest features, the cref command. Let's dive in. Now, one of the biggest pain points with AI image generators like MidJourney is the lack of repeatability. You create this amazing character, but when you try to use them again, they just don't look the same. Well, not anymore. Introducing the cref command, which stands for character reference. So, what exactly is a consistent character? In MidJourney terms, it's a humanoid subject in an existing image that the AI can extract and recreate in new images. Essentially, it's like telling MidJourney, hey, remember this character and use them again. But it's not just copy-pasting. MidJourney uses sophisticated AI image recognition to recreate the character with their unique attributes. Pretty neat, huh? Alright, let's get to the good stuff. How do you use the cref command? It's super simple, just like you might use the aspect ratio command. You can add the cref command at the end of your prompt. Here's an example. Cref https://picturelink.jpg. You'll need a direct image link, so make sure it ends in JPG or another supported format. If you have a local image, just upload it to the MidJourney chat, right-click it, and copy the image address. Easy peasy. Let's break down a step-by-step example. First, I'll create a character with a prompt / imagine an anime-style female elf character with blonde hair and green eyes in a blue uniform. Next, I'll pick the one I like the most using the upscale buttons. Let's say U1. After upscaling, I right-click the image and copy the address. Now, I'll use that address with the cref command in a new prompt / imagine an anime-style female elf character with blonde hair and green eyes in a blue uniform playing the violin. Cref, insert image URL here. Boom! The character is now reused in a new pose. Quick tip: when reusing the character, replicating the style and character description in the prompt often gives better results. You can even use the srf command for style references. Remember, you can stack these commands, but each needs its own image URL. But wait, there's more. You can even mix things up by using a character reference and specifying a different style. Want to see your anime character in a comic book style? Go for it. Just keep in mind, transforming real people might not work as well, and that's probably by design to prevent misuse. And there you have it. Now you know how to create consistent characters with MidJourney. Go ahead, unleash your creativity, and bring your favorite characters to life again and again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow AI enthusiasts. See you next time.